Wala
Kayo
na
yun
niya, Katya. Oo.
Okay.
Dire-diretso ng conversation. So, okay na ta?
Pause. Okay.
So, good evening and welcome to another episode of Alam Mo Ba, the podcast. And today we have a very special guest. Upod ko subong akong good friend nga si Apple. So, Apple, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, good evening. I'm so shy with this. But because it's
Normal.
Manang Ina, so I said yes. And I'm super believe with her. I'm Apple. If I will tell you about myself, so I am petite and I'm a salesperson and jack of all trades. I'm doing insurance. Used to be an insurance with life, but currently I'm focusing with the non-life, and I'm trying to test the water with the food business. I'm trying to tell people about my food, and I'm happy. So far many of them likes it. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Wow, grabe ka damo gid sa imo tuod talent. Apple, halin ka sa insurance, pakadto sa food, pakadto life, non-life nga insurance. Grabe ka gid siya.
Palagpat.
How did you get into insurance? Ano gid ang nag-udyok sa iyo na magsulod ka sa insurance?
From the start, I don't have any idea about the insurance. I had a friend, churchmate, who joined Manulife 2012, and then they've been inviting me, and then so I said yes, but I have no idea, as in zero knowledge. But with the life insurance, they have the best training. So you go to the trainings and get the exam, and then I took everything, and then on my first month I have a good sales performance because
Wow.
of course the friends are very supportive. So that's how I started with the insurance with life first, and then eventually my clients with life travel, so they are looking for the travel insurance. I don't know anything about it. And then they said, oh, you have to offer that to us, kay we're always looking for that. And then nangita ko sa Facebook, and some of my friends told me gabakal kami sa Pacific Cross. So I searched where is the Pacific Cross office in Facebook. So I was the one who applied. I don't know anyone there. And then I have a friend from Manulife who used to be a manager of Seaboard Insurance with non-life, and then she was telling me about the non-life, and then I thought nga nang pwede man ang clients ko sa Manulife, may ara motor, may ara file, so I'll get it. Maybe I cannot get used with the stress bala of looking for sales always. So hamba ko, oh yeah, I will join. So basically I'm the one gidya nga nag-show interest without their invitation, and with the Pacific Cross, yeah, I don't know anyone. I just introduced myself and told them nga gusto ko din
Interested ka
mag-join.
lang.
Yes. Then sige na.
Kaya ang ano mo, the difference between life and non-life insurance for all our listeners out there. Ang life insurance, ikaw pa ang mangita sang clients mo. As what Apple said, ang non-life sila ang gapalapit sa imo. That's why nga mas damo ka clients, kay damo need ang sa non-life. Like for example, fire insurance, car and motor insurance, mga travel insurance, doon mo na. So kinanglan siya. For example, makadto ka sa LTO, kinanglan mo sang imo nga motor vehicle insurance, so may kuwaan ka.
Yeah.
So amo na siya ang difference niya.
And maybe I realized eventually that with life, hindi ko guro ko kaya ang stress bala nga or mas stay in that thought for me. Sino naman ang ako nga kadtuan. Although I have a lot of prospects, I haven't saturated my network. But maybe I just can't tolerate the stress. So
pahiyang-hiyang man din mo.
Pahiyang-hiyang. But I stayed with life for 11 to 12 years.
Tuod?
Yeah. Actually, I love doing sales, and I loved how we do things. But maybe I have that fear, I think, in me nga the company keeps on recruiting,
Oo.
and then they don't care about the network mo nga
Mm-mm.
damo na kamo agaway, damo na kamo ga-offer.
Oo.
Maybe I nurture my fear, and then or maybe part of my personality as well. I'm thinking that maybe this is how I am created.
Oo.
Nga I'm really scattered. Even with my friends, I'm scattered. So even with the things I do, I'm also scattered. I just want to be stuck in a certain stress I can't tolerate, and then I have to look for another happiness. Maybe that's my
Oo,
personality.
imo ana ginaya pahiyang-hiya, as I've mentioned, pahiyang-hiya gina siya kung anong gusto mo bro, pag imo na yung imo nga bro.
Yeah.
If that's what makes you happy, go gid ya.
Yeah.
So anong nadumduman mo pa? Take us back to that time nga na close mo ang first mo nga client.
My first client was very supportive because she was my schoolmate. And then maybe because of the friendship, we were not that close, but they know us. We were schoolmates. So she was so supportive. When she bought a policy to me, ang first sale ko nagtaas gid because she said, "Oh, I will tell my brother to get from you." And then she said, "I'll tell my sister-in-law to get from you." So that was
Network na.
network na. It was just the last 4 days of month of June. That was my first month, June of 2013. And I had good production within 4 to 5 days. I was even so shocked. So on that first month, I told myself, I'm happy with this.
Oo.
So that's how I started. I was so enthusiastic on my first few years, yeah, until so on. Actually, I came to a point na naghambal, kuya, when I was so passionate, I don't want to see my friends. It's a waste of time. I'm really an extreme person. If I'm into it,
Oo.
grabe, gadi ka passionate.
Oo.
And then, eventually, sometimes you'll burn out.
Oo, tsakto na. Ang ano ya, how about your biggest challenges while looking for clients?
Biggest challenges, the challenge remains as is. It's like every month you'll have this concern whom I'm gonna call. But I think the biggest challenge that I had was during pandemic. Because during pandemic, I have a lot of clients who are OFWs who work in hotels,
Oo.
restaurants. So during the pandemic,
Extra.
wala sila work.
Oo.
So they were sent, nagpuli din sila. And then some of them, because ilang ang mga policies ako longer na, so they have the investment side, yung may savings that they
Oo.
can do withdrawal na
Yes.
wala charge nga ba sila nga they have to withdraw. So I have to tell them nga okay kay wala sila money. And then the challenge during that time, pandemic, businesses were closed.
Yes, oo.
People are so afraid to spend
Oo.
because the greatest fear was wala ta kabalo
Kung
hasta san o.
correct.
So hindi ta pwede kapag gusto lang pagwa kwarta. And the stock market, the businesses went down, so nobody will really believe in that
Yes,
kind of
oo.
investment except for the insurance. At the same time, as an agent at that time, you have to be sensitive on how you approach to people. And as an agent, I do have clients who are abroad, and then ginapadala nila ila payment sa ila mom who are also sick, bedridden, so I have to go there, yeah, and deposit sa bank. Pandemic, ang grabe ka challenging.
I remember that before mag-pandemic, I was with the BPO then, tapos nag-crash ang stock market.
Yeah.
So siling ko nasulod ko, siling ko, so kung nadumduman ko, ganyan yung ginambasa ko, because I also was with an insurance company before. So nadumduman ko ang tudlo sa akon nga, when stocks are down, you should buy. So nagdalaga ni ko din pangabakal ko. So dito siya. So after that, nag-skyrocket na siya dayon pasaka siguro. Ano man nga swerte ako nga napasudlan ko pa kanugon na kay during that time do kagamay lang sang gin-deposit, ang ginbakal ko bali stocks. Kung kanugon, if I had siguro more money, basi dako pag na nabakal ko. Duwa mo na siya. And so after sang imo nga hasta subong ara ka pa with the insurance company, but
Yeah, with non-life.
non-life na. Paano ka naman yan nagsulod sa imo nga food business?
Oh my gosh. That's really a funny question. And ako mismo gakadlaw, why I'm selling this food? Hindi ko mismo kabalo magluto. I mean, nang wala ko formal training. I did not go to any culinary school. I don't have any certificate. I'm a person who has this kind of goal every year that I have to learn new skill.
Oo.
Maybe because I don't have a husband, I don't have a boyfriend. I just wanna have personal growth.
Mm.
And a year before I learned how to a year before I learned how to make bread, I learned how to make soap.
Mm.
So I was selling my soap also.
grabe ka na gid
I
dyan.
was selling my soap. And then I started to learn painting.
Oo. Ay, nakita ko pa to mga,
Yeah,
mga
diba?
paintings
Oh, I
mo.
still love to do painting. And then, hambal ko, again, jack of all trades, diba? Kagina, ginambal ko. Hambal ko, kabalo na ako maghimo habon.
Oo.
Ang painting, do kabalo mo ako, pero hindi ko sagad.
Mm-mm.
So, hambal ko, I want to learn how to make bread.
Mm-mm.
So, gintuduan ko sang basics ng akon nga friend.
Oo.
And then, the measurement was mine.
Mm-mm.
And then, nag-try ko himo tinapay. Hindi pa siya namit, no? Pero kahit tinapay, sudyan ako. Baka I have a new skill. I learned
may new hobby ka na.
New hobby.
Oo.
And then, so, it wasn't perfect first.
Mm-mm.
And then, so, nakuha ko na, kada himo ko, ginapatira ko sa kan friends. And ang first kong ginpatila are also our common friends,
Oo.
man.
Oo.
Sila Tita Georgie,
Oo.
Manang Liza. So, nipatila ko sila, hamba nila namit.
Oo.
Amo na. So, that gave me confidence
Oo.
with nga sa kapasar sila standard.
Oo.
And then they told me nga, pwede mo bala i-sell imo nga
Oo.
bread. So, hamba ko, hindi ko mag-sell kay gani, wala ko, I don't know. Basta
Oo.
amo lang yung nabalaan ko and my oven is very small.
Mm-mm.
Then, I also gave Tita Millie
Mm-mm.
kilay ko. And then, nagambal siya nga, uy, kanamit si mo bread, I want to order. And they said, Tita, wala ko gasal. Wala ko
Okay.
gasal. Hamba ko, I don't even know the packaging. Hamba bakal ka lang puyo, putsa lang sa puyo. Then she posted it in her Facebook account. Then, when she posted, the friends who have tasted my bread nga ginahatag ko lang na sa ila kung birthday nila or makita-nay kami. Kay for me, I'm so happy. I don't need to spend money.
Oo.
Bala mabakal regalo.
Yes, oo.
I don't like looking for gifts to
Oo.
friends. So I make my own gift. And then when she posted it in Facebook, naghambal na sila, see, we told you,
Oo.
you have to sell. Then that's how it started. Then everybody nga nagabakal sa akin, halay Manila post sa FB. Then so kada post nila sa FB, gaka nervyos ko, janay ka.
Basi
May
hindi mo kaya.
Basi
ang
hindi ko
demand.
kaya.
Oo.
Yes. And I've been selling, I love selling, but I don't really like to sell to strangers.
Mm-mm.
And then at first, may inquire nga ma-order sila. I told them, I'm not selling my bread, but secretly, I'm selling it to friends. Kay I don't have confidence,
Oo.
gid. Hamba ko pila lang man na akong ginansahon man ang likramo nila abot langit. Dasun,
Ang fear mo,
ang
ara,
fear
pag-gid.
ko,
Oo.
yes, amo na. But you just have to take one order at a time.
Mm-mm.
And then, sa ulihi, ng everyday, naghambal sila nga ang nagatilaw, nag-order, ang nila namin. So, that gave me confidence
Mm-mm.
na. And then, another friend said, Paul, kay wala aga baligya bala sa mga strangers.
Mm-mm.
Ang bala ba si masumura ng mga friends mo sa mga tinapay.
Oo.
So, ipagwaon mo balik ang imo nga rilyano nga natilawan na mo nga namit.
Oo.
Then pagwaon mo balik ang imo nga potato salad.
Oo.
Ikanamit
potato
man na
salad
iya ang
kapag
chicken Waldorf bala.
Okay.
So,
Oo.
ang ba nila, ipagwaon mo gina. I have this friend nga very supportive, gid siya. Hambalya, gina-encourage siya, giko. Hambalya, one day, you love the food business than insurance. Kay Paul, kakapoy niya pangita, kliyente sa
True.
insurance.
Very true.
But ang food business, yeah, if your food is good and your price is right, masadyahan ka gid.
Mm-mm.
Then, asta na, di ba, hindi kay kuya namian niya sa nga ginamonitor ko ginapangayuan ko
Oo.
production, kaya ka-stress ko na, ba asta na, gina-encourage ako, ginatawagan niya ka everyday, pila ka loaves na ubra mo, pila ka, janay ka.
Ako ni Neto, tinigosyo. Ako dapat ang ma-monitor. Kung saan ako gusto.
Oo. So, that's how it started. Then, I cannot stop myself
Oo.
na, amba ko, di ba, I'm like extreme person.
Oo.
Once na hilig-hilig ko, I don't even sleep.
Oo.
I just read.
Uy, grabe,
and-
na ginaya nga no sleep.
Yes, oo, yeah.
You have to take care of yourself. Health is wealth, yapon. Bisan
Yes.
may negosyo ka.
Yes, pero once you're happy, once I'm happy doing something, duga abot gigo sa amo na nga level.
Tamaan ka ka-focus.
Oo.
Hyper-focus ka.
Extreme.
Oo. Tiso mo anong line of products nga ara ka. Kaya kakita ko nakadamo mo. Dugay-dugay may gagawa nga bag-o nga mga products.
Yeah,
Oo.
may ADHD, jack of all trades. So, basically, in my food business, naka-stable na siya everyday, consistent na ang bangus relleno. I also tried making chicken relleno, and when friends told me nga namit imo chicken relleno, so ko, I want this to be available every day. And then, ang mga frozen ko, pork, garlicky longganisa,
Oo.
Spanish chorizo, pork tocino, ano pa,
Natulog
kadamo.
ka pa, Paul?
There are times, to be honest, nga I sleep early in the morning na, or sang December, katilawi ko yung 48 hours, wala ko tulog, katindog ko danay, kadumalipong na ko, matulog ko anay. Pero, I realize, when I started offering the food, sadyahan, di ko pagkaon.
Lain ang imo sense of
Lain,
fulfillment.
yes,
No?
yes,
Compared to the
yes,
insurance industry
yes.
where diriya pressured ka, pero it gives you happiness.
Yeah. And then I realized, siguro nga, ang food ko I love doing the insurance. I'm still doing the non-life and the medical. If you need hospital confinement, I still have that. Pero ang food is something that is all about you. Gintunaan ko na, gindamo upalpak na agyan. From the marketing, from choosing the ingredients,
Yes.
from the measurement, imo gidya gintunaan. It's when they say nga namit, it reminds of what you went through.
Yes, oo.
Hasta sa packaging, amo na. So, it's hamba ko man nga, one day, nga aga successful sila, I'm gonna focus on this, kaya this is all about me.
Yes.
Even ang bread ko, may mga olive and thyme ko, because personally, I love eating olives. Sun-dried, I love sun-dried.
Oo.
So,
I remember ang sun-dried tomato, mga
with
bread.
basil,
Yes, oo.
diba? Pero mas namitang ka Italian
Yes,
and pepper.
yes,
May little,
oo.
may
Spice,
mild na spice.
oo.
So, I love it because it's more all about me. It's not
Ikaw,
about
you
something
can-
else or
Oo, you can show your creativity through food mo.
Yeah.
Amo na, so ikaw, ginapagwa mo imo personality dito mismo sa food.
Yes.
Oo.
Kaya basically, manangin, naghambal man ko na seryoso ne, pero I'm getting old na, hindi na ko pwede nga makakabon ko, tapos maano ni, hindi giniya pwede, tapos naamba ko, when you learn something new nga hobby, it doesn't give you money. So as you age, gaka-tense ko kung ginasermonan ko sa mga friends ko about the savings, amo na, ang plano mo sa kabuhi mo. Then, I also came to this point of my life na realize ko nga dapat tadungon ko na hindi na ako permi nga mahabi-habi. Dapat my hobby will lead me to where I
Yes.
should be in the future. So, hamba ko, seryoso ni. Pero, there were days na may fear and doubt. Kaya when I remember nga mambal ang friend ko nga na ma-food business ka na lang. Food business, make it serious. So, hamba ko, ano man niya ang nagsulod sa ulo ko nga nagpadala-dala ko ni si Ila nga wala ko ya gani nakagi culinary basi temporary lang ni doa mo na bala.
So, self-taught ka gidya in terms of the food industry. Oo.
Self-taught gid. And hambal ko gani sa mga friends ko. Mahambal sila nga, oh, you make this. Wala ko din agree kay hindi ko na namian. And then, nga wala ko mayo sweets because basically I'm not a sweet tooth person.
Oo.
So ang mga friends ko gamba nga waay ko da bala baklon kay wala agid tamis. So because I don't like sweets. So my food
Savory, no?
savory,
Laban. Oo.
yeah. But right now I'm learning to make sweets na naman. Amo na.
Like ano nga sweet, sabi?
Last week nag-try ko himo. Siyempre, gani ako ni mga ibinto. I don't know what to call, if it's brownie or is it fruitcake or
It's a mix.
Yeah, it's a mix of everything nga gin-learn ko.
Oo.
I love dates, so I love fruitcake. I also like brownie.
Mm-mm.
So, ipang mix ko na lang
Oo.
gid. So, hamba ko, what do you call this? When the friend said, nga kanamit, balapol kanamit, gid mo order ko. Hambali, ano ni tawag mo? Hamba ko, I don't know, but let's just call it as dates and pecan square.
Oo, kaya wala ka pag ano.
Yes,
Oo.
yes. So,
Ano lang, pareho sa akon, sa una, ako negosyo nga lan, flu plug.
flu plug pat.
Flu
Yeah,
plug
you told
pat.
me
Oo,
that.
diba?
Importante namin.
Oo, importante namit. Pero kay flu plug pat dito sa iyo. Wala akong kabalo ko na siyang tawag basta flu plug na
Flu
sa.
plug,
Oo.
yeah. So, amo na, ang akon nga loaves has different flavors. Kaya
Mm.
ba ko gani? Seryoso ka? Baligya kapag ka, wala kami nabalaan.
Oo.
Wala nang self-thought ka lang. Amo na, bako nga, baka gislabi tinapay sa akon. May bread, may
Anong difference mo
anong
sa iba?
difference? Kaya hindi ka man sagad-sagad,
Oo.
gid, di ba? So, hamba ko, I should make my food different. So, I
Mm-mm.
came up with different flavors sa loaves ko nga herbs.
Which clicked.
Di ba?
Oo.
And then, ang mga Italian and pepperoncino ko na ang flavor,
Mm-mm.
olive and thyme na loaf.
Oo.
Hamba ko, my friends love to eat the Italian way, and
Oo.
most of them doesn't know how to make that,
Mm-mm.
mag-prepare, hindi sa kabalo sa mga Italian
Oo.
dip na. So, hamba ko, I'll make
Ginobrahan
life
mo
easy.
naman.
Yes. Hamba ko, hindi, I came up with the
Oo.
Italian, nga i-dip na lang nila sa vinaigrette
Oo,
and olive
yes.
oil. So, I thank God for that. I don't know, mga funny ideas.
Pero ang ina nga mga
Sulod
moments,
lang.
bala mo na siyang nag-spark sa creativity sa imo. Nga
Yeah.
madugtugam, ay, kayin tungod nga may amo ko ni nga product, ubrahan ko sa amo ni para ma-compliment ang ini nga product.
Yes. And
Amo na siya.
sometimes, I have liver pate. I'm so proud of my liver pate. But that idea came from my friend. Gusto ko yung mag-succeed sa food business. And before December, October, you should learn how to make liver pate, and you prepare it to your loaf bread. And then you call all your banker friends because they give gifts to their clients
oo.
at their own expense with no bank budget. And then, madamo gid bala apple imo kwarta, if ang balon mo sila pila di imo order. So that's how I created my liver pate, and I'm so happy nga damo gid na namitan sa liver pate.
Oo, actually, doon na shock mo kung kadamo, nagising ko do every time nga do may gapagwa. Pag-una man ni nga product, yeah. Oo, doon mo na siya. By the way, guys, alam nyo ba, Apple's course in college is not connected to any of this.
Yeah.
Not sales, not in the food industry. Ano ka ganing graduate?
Nursing. But now I'm a
Nursing.
nursery.
Nursing graduate na siya. Also, Apple has the love for plants.
Yes.
Damo, gini
Yes.
siya ya plants sa ila
Yes.
nga balay.
And
Nagrasyahan kami na di ganin, ligad. Mint.
ang spearmint.
Oh,
Kidang
damo pa na
anta
din
ka
mint.
mo.
Tapos may tanglad.
Tanglad.
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm so happy with the spearmint.
Damo, gini,
yes.
nag-flourish.
Kag amo man na siya, my food is really all about me. That makes me happy and makes me proud. But because basically, I'm a person who love herbs. So, ang pagkaon ko, damo, giniadahon. Even si mama, ginasubo ko siya. Wala na ko time. Pwede, mapaklan mo ko. Hambali, hindi ko kakilala sometime. Nga tanan mo nga pagkaon, may dahon, gidaya. Because I told them, syempre, plantita niya nga
Oo.
galuto. So, really, my food is all about me.
Kita mo, gagwa gidi mo, personality sa imo
Yeah.
nga food, yeah. If you love, like, amo na, mga herbs na iari ya sa imo, pagkaon, ara, gid.
Actually, last week, nag-try ko bake
Oo.
strawberry muffin with basil.
Ay, wow!
Yes.
Lain naman.
Yes, and then ang mulberry muffin, wala ko
Oo.
lang din post, pero gindala ko sa wake sang
Oo.
dad, sang friend ko, ginpang patilaw ko to
Oo.
sila. And then mulberry nga sa on top has sugar and grated ginger with the
Grabe,
lemon
ha?
skin. Yeah. ka-blend siya. Yes.
Nami ang iya nga gwa.
Yeah,
na,
oo.
iya
Ang balila,
combination. Oo.
namit man, kag nakasaho sila. So, di ba, din kaya kita muffin na may luya
Although hindi ko ma-imagine actually, pati ang strawberry with basil.
with basil.
Although
yes.
hindi ko, basi na sundugay-dugay,
It's savory and sweet.
Oo, basi may lemon ka naman nakag-mint. Baka amo na siya. Lemonade ang gwa niya.
Lemonade,
Oo,
oo.
na siya. Anyways, so makadto naman kita Paul sa aton nga isa ka segment diri sa alam mo ba ang choices na ginatawag. You are not required to answer it nang kumbaga sa isa ka talk show dapat you have to answer immediately, very
Yes.
fast to kamo na. Iniya, i-expound mo nga aamo na ang choice mo. Okay? So ang first gid sa choices,
Serious, kidya.
kunwabi, char lang, ng coffee or tea or milk tea.
Oh, I love coffee and tea. Both?
Both, pwede both. oo.
Yes.
Pero anong nagapangibabaw sa ila?
Because basically, I live in the morning with coffee. Then in the evening or afternoon, I love taking tea.
Mm-mm.
So, sige, I'll choose na lang coffee. Kaya mo nang kapabugtaw.
Sorry mo. Pero no, dumera kapag yan night nga routine, nga tea ka.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oo,
and
nakaano gina siya for me. Nga kung morning, I need to have coffee to
Oo.
perk you up. Then kung gabi, to relax. And for the digestion, I want to take tea.
Na-remember ko na ginambalan mo ko na moging hatagan mo comment because pagkagabi, amo nang gamiton mo as tea.
Yes,
Oo.
di ba? And ba ko pansin mo, may nang tagaan kay experiment kay para ang tea mo fresh.
Oo, fresh. Hindi siya silinga package or
Yes.
dried nga tea.
Yes.
Hindi. Fresh
Oo.
gid siya. Next question is bukid o kundagat?
Bukid kay napilitan ko sang dagat.
Totoo.
Yes,
Asa ginabalataw nga mo na.
kagkaitom na ko. So, namian, I enjoy beach. Pero, nang kumaligo ko sa dagat, doon hindi ko mapakita sa mga tao. Kay mabal sila na, nag-itom ka. And kadugay-dugay. So, and kapilit. Diba? And kung dagat, do hindi ka gidya, there's just a specific time that you'll enjoy the place. But kung sa bukid whether it's noon time nga may trees,
Oo.
you'll really enjoy. Kay may shade.
Yes, bugnaw ang
Yes,
ano
bugnaw.
sa...
Kaya wala ka pililit ang imong nga
Yes,
face.
oo. Amo gina importante nga hindi
Yes.
magpilit ang face.
Kaya it's already oily with fats, plus dugangan pa sang pilit sa dagat. I think no lechon ka na.
Kalayo na
Mainitan ka pa.
I remember, ginasanguna nga gambal ko na kasi mother ko gambal, ginasa ko na takas na, kay alas 12 na.
Diba?
Bye-bye mo. Ako yung beach person ko. Gambala na si mother ko, si takas na. Di kay matakas, kay makaon panyaga. Tapos nabalik na naman.
Oo.
So, pagkahapon-hapon, mga 3 o'clock na, mabala siya takas na himos na kay mapuli na ta. Mo na, hindi bala magtakas kung hindi man inugpuli na. So, mabala na siya. Nya, ano to, bla tsura mo? Do sando ka nga galakat. Kaya hindi na ako kitaon. Ang sando ko na lang
Hindi
kitaon.
amo man ko na. And then kung sa beach, do feeling ko kadamo is stress before ka maligo, mamutang ka sunblock.
Oo.
And then, kung tambo ka pinikit, nangimo nga ano, so ma-conscious ka naman. Whereas, kung sa bukid, wala gid ya stress,
Oo.
do ka amo na. So, but I love going to the beach. For me, do ka therapy na and healing ang sound of the waves,
Oo.
ang sunset. But you just enjoy it for a certain time.
Oo.
For me. You don't enjoy it the whole day. And like,
Oo.
kung ara ka sa bukid, you have the
Bahala
mountain,
na, oo.
the whole day.
Pila,
Yes.
bisan pila pa kadlaw.
Yes,
Diba?
yes,
Oo.
yes.
Ang ano naman, next is books or movies.
It depends sa movies, but I'm fan of reading than watching movies. I'm a boring person.
Anong favorite book
And
mo?
when I watch movies, I enjoy. After a month, I don't remember
Kung
everything.
ano na natapos.
Yes, I don't even remember the stars.
Oo.
I think books give.
Books, gid. What's your favorite book?
My favorite book, Purpose-Driven Life. I love motivational, anything that waters my faith. Kaya I'm not a person na pagbugtaw, happy dayon.
Oo.
Yeah, you have to, may ara, ginang moment, many days, I have to ready myself before to face the day. Damo
Oo.
ko ya tanga.
Oo.
Nga, moment every morning before ko yung mag-enthusiastic.
So, bali doon nag-ano ka pa, nag-muni-muni ka pa before you start your
Yeah,
day.
and ang muni-muni ko is always about reading. Reading something good,
to
inspiring,
make you feel,
motivation.
to set the vibe, kumbaga, no, ka mo na.
Yes. Even before I sleep, I read. And right now, I read about the wars because
Oo.
I'm so ignorant.
Kung ano nakalatabo sa Iran.
Yeah. So, catch up ko na magbasa bala. Kay, with the war with Iran, it may aragin a biblical na aspect, not just politics. So, I'm catching up with that.
Di kay, go bra ka pa sa imo nga mga baked goods, may frozen ka pa. May time ka pa gid na to do that?
Yes, because I love it. I don't have time for love life or anything.
Malay mo, pagkagwasang ini nga podcast, may nagapila na to sa sagwasang balay niyo.
Malaking himala.
Diba? Kasi parang yaw. Or madamo, pag idang imo nga mga customers, isa na daang the one mo.
I don't care if there's the one. I just care more orders.
Sige, last question, Paul. Night or morning person?
Oh, I'm a night person. I wake up late. As in,
Like how late?
my gosh, there are days I wake up 10:30.
10:30?
Yes, gabanik na ko na dayon. Hanap ako, dahil nano ka? Dahil banda mo na kwarta na kita, ikaw pag ka lang pugtaw.
Pero di late ka naman kasi.
Because I love, I sleep late, 1 a.m. And if kung galuto ko, kisa dumaybi na ko na kay nga, gaamo ko ni Haw, kay kakapoy, I sleep at 3 a.m. Pero, ang normal ko nga sleep is 12, 1, 11, amo na. Because I love to work nighttime, hindi init. And, kung morning, there's work in the office, may mga calls, whereas kung nighttime, I can focus well sa storing of food. I really make food na sa gabi para i-store ko sa freezer.
Okay.
So, I'm a night person.
Sige. Siguro ang akon nga last nga ayuol sa imo, what is your message to our listeners about starting a business or going into insurance? Ano imo nga kumbaga thought for the day mo para sa ila?
If you want to join the insurance, the difference between offering insurance or being in the industry of insurance, to start off, you don't have any capital. Your capital is mastery of the products, and the company gives you a training. You start with life, they have the best training. Then you can do non-life as well. And wala siya capital. It's only your time. You have to work with your portfolio of prospects. Yes, your pool of prospects. And then, sa business, doing business is really more difficult than being in the insurance. It has different challenges. If you do business, you're on your own. You have to brainstorm on your own. Kung gulaw ay imo tinapay, I don't know, I have no one to teach me. And then how do you package your product? So it's you are on your own. At the same time, you need to have your own capital. So if you want to do business, it's always asking yourself, what do I love? Because you cannot last. You can continue with the challenges if you don't really love what you're doing.
True. Very
Yes.
true.
So, in fact, ako, adopted little sister, she learned the ribbon ng mga flowers. Nami, gidya, nami, ani Kuya Dalia, kasagad. So, hamba ko si Iya, she's just senior high. Hamba ko siya, I'll buy the ribbons and then you post it in FB and then your friends will order, then you have an income. Because I told her, this is how I started with my soaps, with my food. You just find what you love to do and take it lightly lang gid. Start with your connections and find ways ka how to improve and just enjoy.
Amo ginano,
To
I think
start off.
the biggest takeaway sa imo nga ginaobra is when you enjoy everything that you do, it doesn't seem like work anymore. Oo.
Yes. And when you enjoy, even no matter how you take it slow, but you'll find ways to make it better, to
Yes.
improve. And then your heart also aligns when people has something to tell to how to make it better, because it's your joy. So
Yes.
you give your ears to their words.
Tsakto ginanto important na to listen to feedback
Yeah,
bala.
yeah.
Oo, siya. So, thank you very much, Kid Paul, for your time
Sadya.
today. And guys, by the way, ginatagan kita diri ni Apple sang corn muffins niya. And amo na ang ngalan sang iyang ang iyang brand, Appetite. O, di ba? Kanami.
Apple, petite, who loves to eat, appetite.
O, di ba? Thank you so much, Kid, sa iyong mga corn
Manang
muffin.
In.
You're
Thanks for
welcome.
having me. This is my first interview. I feel like an artist.
And how was your experience naman? Let's tell our
Well, I enjoy. I love talking. And then when she messaged me, can you be my guest sa podcast? I'm like, oh, yes. But I haven't checked her podcast yet. And then when she sent me the link of her podcast and I tried to play, oh my gosh, this is serious. But I was so believed because, to be honest, I love to talk. I also do hosting to my friends' events. So this is really one thing that I love. Nagdako ko yan sa mga shows ni Chris Aquino. Di ba? And idol ko gin si Chris. When she does her shows, you learn a lot from her.
Yes.
So I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
And I'll refer more people whom you can guess.
Thank you good so much, Paul. And I hope you enjoyed your stay here. And thank you very much sa
enjoy.
imo corn muffins.
I hope makapasar.
Of course, ikaw pagat gasalig ko dako ginasalig ko sa inyo. But
Thank you.
for those who are listening sa ating podcast, if you love the content of this video, please like and share it with your friends. Kung may mga gusto ka mo i-host ta diri or i-invite as host, also please put their names or tag them in the comment section. And of course, also you can PM me to let me know kung sino ang inyo gina-suggest nga pwede ta diri mag-guest. So that's it for today's episode. Thank you very much and I'll see you again next week. Bye!
Bye! Be the next guest.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Kasadya. Kasadya!